You can buy something on Mr. Auntie man, please. I would be so appreciate. Can I give you the Zell, Auntie? Can I give you the Zell? You want me to inbox you the Zell? Cranny gel. What gel? Let me see the cran. I have it already. The 7191 719 755 1674 Arca shop. How much you want? Any amount. 719 755 1674. Make her look something. Pretty business want she. Marongo install the wig. I make it nice up. I now wait you curl up it with me. I make it fluffy more the density in the show. Yeah. Send me back, yeah, $50. Give me $50 higher. $50 enough money. I could have a $10. You know, have a choice. Kel want me, Auntie Kel for Canada. Everybody business want me. Chevy Boo, Gypsy Girl, Be Good Kimani, Shaka. Thank you. So I don't argument. I saw look something. My nice clean anti-rent a hotel for me 1 week. My boo come over. I go do me ear cabin something on my cash up and I must go fix it up.
Right now, click up my back. Tikki, what? You know what? Yeah, about my accident to me have.
Come here, man. They want $20. That's what I help me.
You know what? Yeah, about my accident to me.
No, man, you can't take your accident. Recovery soon. Get well soon.
Real man, me slip up my spine. Right now, me sick.
There's something. Heartbreaker, you can't bear something. So you can't check in and look at savings I had where you did left it while they're in the hospital now. Can't cash up more at $20.
I'm not in the hospital, I'm just stay in a bed.
Look on the Jaffe piggy pan.
I'm gonna get that one next time. You in a hotel and live life, I'm in a bed and feel pain. See it?
You know, I feel a pain so alright. You know, me make you laugh till the week.
Yeah, and that's a good thing about you. You always make me laugh.
Crazy. Me a better somebody. Me a better somebody for Rose. We still tell him to get well soon. We still. As she see him one. Me tell him to get well. Black Roses, come here. Remember, I go see your promise with something 3 weeks ago, you know? And I know. Come here, Black Roses.
So you drink Popeyes?
And I'm a friend by what Popeyes and give money, I'm Simone. I call her, tell her I'm hungry. I'm going to go up on the road. Because you know the Batman in New York was alter me. So I tell him that he must, if he can bring something for me, if he get something for me, he can say sure, and he said on a 3-piece Popeyes go give me.
Oh, and anyone attack a fire live better than them? Them
Look so, it looks sad, they see me flawless, how pretty they want to come mark up me.
So they see a really nice, clean boy.
I'll be there if I don't put on my laundry, my love. Black Roses, come here.
Oh, you're not there here.
No, here
I
no
know
do.
which now it's air fit to the curly ear.
I hate same one me have on, you know.
I hear the fit
I
your
hate what?
bad.
Jesus, I hate what I do. Name me get 25 me baby. I hate what I do. I hate what I do. I'll be a judgment later when the two will meet up together.
Uh-uh. You try do something you never do before.
Why? Me do everything already. I cool. I throw me a ton bigger man. I'm a jack.
No, some must the way not give me 100 yet, they give him just 80 or just give him 70.
Me nah give him on not even 25 he nah get. Strictly my
Bumper.
Africa. Me can't manage that right now. You know just had to fuck with the boy.
Murder!
You know just get the boy please. You can't give him no look. The kind of fuck there. You have to take time and go slower. I when you get to know him know you show him emotion and show him what you're capable of. I go head top, head bottom, sideways.
Eyelash.
Enjoy nothing.
Nose bridge.
But like I know, you have to just give me one mama papa make you take time and squeeze in.
Cancer.
Bumper right this
What
time.
going on? How well? Me was upset last night go pan them last yes, you know ill. No
You
me
say
love
your lash if you go pan and I give the boy that you must say. Go pan your lash them.
so you know have to tell me if you do for me. You know this morning make us suck it. Me just take it out and start suck it. Me try me say the boy cocky pretty like a money. Me just a try it so like a bubble gum and I know we can't change color. We can peach right through. I know we not turn sky blue nor white. Fabulous.
Everybody and the happy well pink.
Me just a try so try it and know we can't change color. Want it, me chalk and mark up your blackboard. Susan she. Tommy show come here and I know some live auntie. Oh yeah. I know so your niece live. Come here. Something wrong, you know. She vexed over something. Yes, nurse, how are you? Oi! Remember you know me like my handbag I be a night fuck me put on a bush. Remember me a night owl. Me can't fucking a day me never see the boy. So therefore I want my nice clean supporter Abby so she up here for the hotel for the week.
I'm a good friend there.
And she pay she up her life she come code week too. Up her life she come code week. Abby you can't be a turtle line of myself. Moi go fix something here, Abby. Fat pussy Abby. You can't be a turtle line of myself. Melissa, oi.
Now you know for birthday. That's something I get back nothing for your birthday.
I'm not your jealous.
Tikki,
Present.
Tikki.
Present. Abby, me must inbox to this hell now. Chrissy, me so ade yard judgment like that's a serious time. Me can't make you come right as a black my blessing a judgment.
Jesus.
Wrong, we don't agree. I threw that woman your badge big like my pussy that's time me have her right. So Abby, make me inbox to this. Oh, me send it to this. Me call it. Me in text to this.
She disgusting, you see?
What Yozel? Or me type it in the comments too. I be missing the Zel. She not me I can't know.
How would that with your name and absent number? That's
What do they? Channel like this, your other page coming on your big page you have. The 32 gift badge. So are you saying
yeah,
me call upon the live, right?
backup page that Tikki with the 12.
Foolishness there.
But you must you more bad me left you must steer them I do the great job.
You understand?
Oh, I have to fix some stuff. I'll fix this stuff, cake, or I'll send me the way. Let it say
Cause
weekend.
them not understand what them a do. Like you send threat to people for not about acid people and them something. Listen, another played me. Me another one for play with. Yeah, I send my foolishness on my phone. Like this is not Tikki phone. Or them a throw acid pan Tikki. Me tell Tikki, you know, like them will do it for true because guess what, you have the spotlight and them want it. So look, you have to watch your back. Them will do it for true and not put nothing past nobody. When people tell us that they will do you something, you better think twice because they will.
Exactly, especially if they're
No,
bad
they
mind.
will do it for true. Me, I tell you, they will do it. This is not no joke something. This when people are telling them I throw acid pan and them something, you have to take them something they serious. It's this a serious something now.
Tikki have to be careful when she go out in a public.
Exactly, and America is not as safe. Exactly, and people over here, so them not have no sense over here, so and we do anything cause some of them are jailbird.
Yeah, some of them not have no life. So
Cause them think a Tikki phone, you know, them a text and I say them a acid him, them a throw acid pan him. Tikki trying to go back around none of them, you hear? Cause that them a plan for you. Oh.
Listen, Tikki come out and get Tikki the hotel.
Bring it this.
That me I go do because since as them want me I go make them track the IP address for the phone number. Me and them blood clot.
Yeah, me first.
Me and them, so guess what? Them have to go throw acid upon the police them. Me don't run them joke there. Yeah, it's a US number. I go make the police track them. Since I don't want to throw acid upon people.
Cheese, milk, no, I
But not throw acid upon people on too fucking out harder.
Where
me post the number.
No screen guys,
Hold on, me
TikTok will trouble your page. We are gonna do the necessary. I know everything talk. Just relax yourself.
We do not out harder self. I texting about when I'm saying something that me I got acid you. Yeah, maybe it's a text no number, but the police them still can't find the number. But that text no or nothing. Let me tell you something. There's always an IP address, and that's what a lot of people don't know. Is the IP address. That's where find your location, and I'm so fucking stupid.
She know. Me tell Chin me send the number, your baby. My friend Chin for Canada. Post the number. Let the acid the over 800 people. If you post the number TikTok, we win him there, you know.
And this is serious something, Tikki. You need to go to the station and make them know you're getting threat that people are got acid. This is some serious something now, you know.
Yeah.
See the girl at Trinidad who did the other girl throw acid pan her for nothing. She not even take the girl, man. Them something are serious, something around them joke, yeah.
So when I not go around them, I miss this substance or distance myself.
Yeah, them a tell us that them are acid and them something, they take them something if you choke them will throw acid pan you. Guess what? You have the spotlight and they want it. So they will damage your feet. Yes, when people can't get you out, when people can't get you out and do certain things to you, they will try to get rid of you. Come in, know how that coming out. You and them have like an argument with the acid boat.
But
With the acid boat. Una have
People
little argument
entitled,
and cuss, and love walk and talk about an acid people.
people entitled to say what they want to say from them
Una
out.
come
Them
from
a say
Jamaica
what
with
they
no
want to
dirty
say, you a say
life.
what they want to say. And when you a say what
Yeah.
you want to say, they
No,
like
them
they
come from
want to
Jamaica with
call you.
them dirty life. Them come here with them dirty life. When I left Jamaica and come here with the same bagger. That's why Trump no want to no blood clot, yeah. Gonna crosses.
They can't do me nothing. Come in around them.
Hey, don't say them can't do you nothing.
I feel like me go to road right now.
Never say you can't do them can't do you nothing.
Simone.
You see in life, never say never.
Me feel like me go to road so Simone me call 911 must meet me. I will me call
I
911.
know, I see, as the woman saying I chat about it, you're just one of our worst place to go sit down.
Exactly. God want you just say what them not know. It's like how them know say you got Jada, do not go there so.
Tikki and Tikki come I pressure them bad. Thank you so much, Nikki Mackenzie. I have them under pressure no blood. Me I give them a run for their money. Suppose me do work. Watch out, girl.
Me
Look
not
for
like
me.
them something me I know. You understand me? I say original like them and him have little argument. Make it restless and I want to talk about an acid people.
Because people don't like people don't like to see people excel in all, especially if you excel past them.
Someone send me number, me see me know the number.
Me accept because this somebody a call down the phone, then them start text down the phone when them not get. Then one Jamaican number call down the phone too, and I text down the phone, tell him say me is not the one. Like I am really not the one. I'm not have the time. Me not careless. Me not live careless life.
Or you know stay over there so live for them life and make it woman live for
Like them
their
think
life.
people careless. Me not careless.
Nobody know me there, nobody know about which hair salon me I go.
And that's why I say what the hell.
Nobody don't know me there, nobody know which hair salon me I go. No much hair salon in New York and New York big. Nobody
And
know.
Tikki, me go give you advice, right? You see number where everybody know? Get a new phone number.
Remember say nobody know the new phone number one when me call you upon the other one.
Okay, yeah, don't give nobody your number.
Tikki, evening. What me have to say to Tikki is, me never give Tikki a turn, but me watch him every day. Me love Tikki. Sometimes I send some people you don't know if do things. Just watch out.
It's
me
true.
girl. Just watch out, cause you see them must come in person for themselves. Some
True.
people.
It's
When we
true.
send some people, so not and they know when Tikki look him say one girl, me don't know her, one boy, me don't
It's
know him and
true.
that style. But you know
see,
everybody
Alias,
your enemy now, and you know everybody a group up on yourself. Not at me, you know everybody are getting
Exactly. And guess what?
Nikki Mackenzie.
You see, yes, sir? Them will send a crackhead for do things. Because you see, just half of them something and them will do anything you want.
Bad and dirty, me don't know me the come
But Tikki, me go come off. Go and big up yourself, my boy. I'm just tell you how it is here.
baby.
Yeah.
That's why I don't mix with careless people, and I don't mix and mingle with careless people. I stay to myself
Take me
and
off.
mix.
Take me off, Tikki.
I
Take me
don't
off,
mix
please.
because I can't take the carelessness and hold for bagger. I don't do carelessness. Because look where it gone to now. Them are acid there. You and them cuss me. You say I do them nothing. For true blessing.
I think
You and them cuss me. You say I go hurt them. I don't know no cuss and it done. No them reach a acid.
When the gender parish.
Tikki, you know me I go say something to you?
Yeah.
It all sound fuck up and it all sound a way when me say to you. You know say if you don't listen to what my blood clot say from before you come out of detention, you wouldn't know this. Me warn you, you know. Me say original, me warn you. Me tell Tikki, say, me say, Tikki, this is America. Me say people will boost you up until they say, come on my house and whatever. You see 2 days, them get tired of you and want you out of them house. Me tell him.
exactly.
Me tell him, like before him even come out of this, me tell him. Me say, see people here, they're not nice. They will invite you until they say come and then they want you out. You come use piece of tissue, them complain about the tissue. You come and start eat look food out of them fridge, them write them name on the food in the fridge, because them don't want you touch the food in the fridge. You eat too much. You flush the toilet too much.
Simone me no there no. Simone me no there no.
Sample all them stay.
I'm a follow she writer so cause say me come and them me a look a bring. That's why me come in a box come and bring them down Nisibo. Grace America presents up at top.
I was watching you every evening and every day.
You can't get the post answer with it. She go give me the post last night.
Alright, so I'm watching every evening and every night. And I'm just saying, just listen to what people say that is true. They would do all kind of things just to get to you. Just listen. You're hard of hearing, you know, me I watch every meet, you're hard of hearing, but you just need to
Head is very tough, Tikki.
be
Me say,
careful.
Melissa,
A first time. Listen me anti the cash.
me say sometime when me tell him sitting down, like, me just want to thump him like me line back, you know.
If you not listen to no one else, only sell
Me
and
say me just want to make him get him pussy, him rat, anything him want get, but him
No,
want
you can't get him pussy and him rock and beg or him want beg. Me no business, but me I tell him like him and me no want nothing to do him. But just want him just listen to
just watch your back and watch this over here, so me tell you, watch your
back. You can't share people, you can't say them can't do nothing.
Them would use all a cokehead for do it, me I tell you, think a joke, me and me.
Anything.
You see the cash up, auntie? You see the cash up, auntie? Me type the cash up. You see the cash up?
You can't pin it on the screen?
You can't pin because
You can't pin. Oh, you can win.
You can't pin it on the screen because I don't want TikTok. Boy, you see the 21 and all. See the cash up.
See there come up, sexy Tikki, see there.
Yes, Tikki, good evening.
Present.
I've been watching you from Jamaica, and trust me, you make me laugh. Look, I'm going through a dull time. You always brighten up my day. You always. There's nobody on the app to me like you. Listen to me, Tikki. I'm in the United States. I'm a Jamaican. I've been here 4 years now. Tikki don't need no friend. Your friend that you need is who's supporting you. This is what I'm saying to you.
True.
You are in the gay system. Nobody can choose for you. Nobody can tell you who you want or who wants you.
True.
You must know who you feel comfortable around. Tikki, believe me. I am here and I used to have 2 Jamaican friends. And right now, one of them told me associate. I only one of them have as friend. And she's my associate. I don't have no friend. Listen, you don't have to be among Jamaican. In America, you have to survive.
Me not
USA.
Yes, I'm
Hold on.
aunties, listen to me, auntie. Hear what me I say. Me not go only show me a grown man where I fuck me in my hole and him and me man.
It's a dirty one, yeah.
Him and me part. And
Okay.
him and me part. You me talk. And me auntie them me go clip me life and a judgment and one some must go, some must eat. Things something to do. Me can't go clip me life and bring it to them constant because they love me.
Which is right. The next thing too. You see, I want to congratulate. I'm give an example. Use Ivan as somebody in the comment here
Exactly,
said. Use
true.
Ivan as an example. All right. For example, you was in Jamaica. I was overseas, and everything was seemingly lavish and everything. As what Sim did said earlier on, they will tell us, yes, come here. After 2 weeks, you're not a guest. You understand what I'm saying? You're no longer invited as a visitor. You're on your own.
That's true.
Everything.
Remember I told you that, Tikki? Remember I told you that?
Everything. Tikki, I live here.
She's not hearing nothing.
Ima listen.
Group on, Tikki.
Present talk.
Tikki,